You arrive at the airport. Your flight was long. You follow the signs. Immigration. The line moves slowly. Travelers stand quietly with their passports. Now it's your turn. You walk to the officer. He takes your passport. He looks at the screen. Then he asks a question. What is the purpose of your visit? In this moment, you need to answer clearly. Today, we're going to practice this situation, step by step. Hello, and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. Airport immigration can feel stressful. Many travelers worry about saying the wrong thing. But most immigration conversations are very simple. The officer usually asks a few basic questions. Why are you visiting? How long will you stay? Where are you staying? You don't need complicated English. You only need clear answers. Today, you'll hear a short, real-life story about arriving at immigration for tourism. First, just listen. Then we'll break the situation into practical sentences. You'll practice them step by step. And finally, you'll hear the full story again at natural speed. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say at immigration. Let's begin. First, just listen. After a long flight, I arrived at the airport. I followed the signs to immigration. The line moved slowly. Travelers waited quietly with their passports. When it was my turn, I walked to the officer. He took my passport and looked at his screen. Then he asked, "What is the purpose of your visit?" "I'm here for tourism," I replied. He nodded. "How long will you stay?" "I will stay for 5 days," I said. Then he asked another question. "Where are you staying?" "I'm staying at a hotel," I answered. "Do you have your hotel reservation?" "Yes," I said. "Here is my hotel reservation." He looked at my passport again. "Do you have a return ticket?" "Yes," I said. "Here is my return ticket." He checked the screen one more time. "You can stay up to 90 days," he said. "But you must leave before that." After a moment, he stamped my passport. "Welcome," he said. I smiled and walked toward baggage claim. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first. Then speak with me. I'm here for tourism. I'm here for tourism. I will stay for 5 days. I will stay for 5 days. I'm staying at a hotel. I'm staying at a hotel. Here is my hotel reservation. Here is my hotel reservation. Here is my return ticket. Here is my return ticket. This is my first time here. This is my first time here. Now let's listen to the full story again at natural speed. After a long flight, I arrived at the airport and followed the signs to immigration. The line moved slowly as travelers waited with their passports. When it was my turn, I walked to the officer and handed him my passport. He asked about the purpose of my visit. I said I was there for tourism. Then he asked how long I would stay. I told him I would stay for 5 days. After that, he asked where I was staying. I explained that I was staying at a hotel and showed him my reservation. He also asked if I had a return ticket. I showed him my return ticket. After checking the information, he told me that I could stay for up to 90 days but needed to leave before that. He stamped my passport and welcomed me. I smiled and walked toward baggage claim. Before we finish, here are 2 practical tips. Number 1. Answer clearly and directly. Immigration officers usually want short, clear answers. For example, I'm here for tourism. I will stay for 5 days. Number 2. Keep your documents ready. Have your passport, hotel reservation, and return ticket easy to show. This makes the process faster and smoother. Next time you travel, imagine this situation. You arrive at immigration. The officer asks simple questions. You answer calmly and clearly. Short answers and clear information help everything go smoothly. Confidence comes from preparation. Your turn. Why do people usually travel to another country? Write 1 full sentence in English in the comments. For example, I travel for tourism. In the next episode, we'll practice what to say when checking in at a hotel. Simple sentences, real-life situations, step by step. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.